Hello everyone!
Hi guys, welcome to our videos.
I'm Enjelica.
And I'm Meisya. We are from Class G, English Education Study Program, Universitas Negeri Medan.
So today we're going to learn descriptive text in a fun and interactive way.
In these videos, we will show you how to create and use a quiz using Educaplay.
So, if you're ready, let's get started!
Stay tuned! Before we start the lesson, let me introduce the platform that we use today. The platform is called Educaplay. Educaplay is an interactive learning platform that provides many educational games and learning activities for teachers and students. Using Educaplay, teachers can create quizzes, matching games, word searches, video quizzes, and many other interactive activities easily. One of the interesting features in Educaplay is called Froggy Jumps. Froggy Jumps is a fun educational game where students answer questions to help the frog jumps forward and reach the finish line. This feature makes learning more interactive, enjoyable, and engaging for students. In this tutorial, we also apply the IPO framework, which stands for Input, Process, and Outcome. The outcome of this activity is an interactive quiz, and we hope that after watching these videos, students can improve their understanding of descriptive text and become more active and motivated in the learning process. To achieve these outcomes, we carry out several processes, including creating the quiz in Educaplay and implementing it in the teaching and learning process. These processes are also supported by several inputs, such as devices, stable internet connections, Educaplay application, descriptive text material, and images. Now let's see how to create a quiz using Froggy Jumps and Educaplay. First, open your browser. Next, type Educaplay in the search bar and open the website. If you already have an account, you can just sign in directly using your Google account. After sign in, you can see many interesting educational features on the home page. However, in this tutorial, we will focus on the Froggy Jumps features. Now click Create Games. Then choose Froggy Jumps. And this is display of the Froggy Jumps features. Here we can directly start creating the quiz. First, type your questions in the questions box. For example, here we create a questions about descriptive text. After that, write the answer choices in the option boxes below. Then check the correct answer by clicking the checkbox beside the correct option. If you want to add more questions, simply click Add Question, then repeat the same steps for the next questions. Beside text, we can also add image to make the quiz more interesting. Click the image icon beside the question box. Educaplay provides many online images that we can choose easily. For example, like this. After finishing all the questions, now let's continue to the quiz information sections. Here we use the title Descriptive Text Quiz. Next, write the descriptions of the quiz. The description usually inform about the learning topic. Below that, choose the recommended age for the students. Here we choose 16 years old, and for the knowledge area, we choose language. After everything is complete, click Preview to check the quiz before publishing it. Now we can see the preview of the quiz that we created. If everything already looks good, click Publish to publish the activity officially. Alright everyone, our quiz is now ready to use. Next, Angel will show you how to use this quiz in the teaching and learning process.
Alright, thank you Meisya. So before we start playing the quiz, let's review a little bit about descriptive text. So descriptive text is a text that describes a person, place, animal, or thing in detail. And the purpose of descriptive text is to help readers imagine and understand the object clearly. And usually, descriptive text use many adjectives such as beautiful, smart, clean, friendly, cute, and interesting. So now, let's try the Froggy Jump quiz that we created earlier. Okay, so teachers can share the quiz with students by clicking the share buttons. The quiz can be shared using a link or the QR code. And students simply open the link or scan the QR code to join the game easily. This activity can be used by teachers in the classroom to make learning more interactive and enjoyable for students. After students open the link or scan the QR code, they will see the starting screens like this. To begin the game, students simply click play. Then the questions will appear one by one on the screens. Students must choose the correct answer from the available options, and in this game, the frog will jump to the option selected by the player. If the answer is correct, the frog will jump safely forward and the player will get points. And correct answer will help players continue the game and collect higher scores. However, if the answer is wrong, the frog will fall into the water like this. When students answer incorrectly, one life will decrease. But don't worry, students can still continue the game until all questions are complete. Here on the top left corner, we can see the number of lives, and on the top right corner, we can see the player scores. The faster and more accurate the answer are, the higher score students can get. These features can increase students' motivations and classroom participations because students become more active and competitive during the activity. After students finish answering all the questions, the final result page will appear. On this page, students can see their total scores and overall performance. And if we scroll down, we can also see the leaderboard. The leaderboard shows that the top 10 highest scores from all the players. These features can encourage students to improve their performance and participate more actively in the learning process. And yeah, that's how to create and use Froggy Jumps in Educaplay for learning descriptive text.
Alright everyone, that's all for today's tutorial.
We hope this video helps you learn how to create and use Froggy Jumps in Educaplay.
And we also hope learning descriptive text becomes more fun, interactive, and exciting for students.
Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.
Thank you and bye!
Bye everyone!